Today I will be presenting a brief audio report on all cargo logistics. By the end of this video, you will get to know 5 insights which you did not know earlier on this company. Insight number 1, market share. Coming to market share, all cargo logistics has 14% market share in the cargo segment space. Insight number 2, revenue mix. Coming to the revenue mix, 87.2% of the sales comes from multimodal transport operations, 8% from others, and 2.9% from container freight stations. Insight number 3, location-wise breakup. Insight number 3, location-wise breakup. An interesting point to note here is that 25.1% of the business comes from India, 26.3% from Far East, 21.6% from Europe, 18.7% from USA, and 8.3% from the rest of the world. Operating profit breakup. The profit of the company is distributed in the following segments. 87.2% of the profits comes from multimodal transport operations, 9.9% from container freight stations, and 2.9% from logistics park. Insight number 5, sales growth and profit growth. The company has achieved an astonishing sales growth during the last 5 years. Sales has grown from 6,049 crores in the year 2018 to 20,072 crores in the year 2022. Net profit has jumped from 178.21 crores in the year 2018 to 861.36 crores in the year 2022. This signifies that the company is a high growth stock. Also, the company has a good ROE during the last 5 years. It has achieved a remarkable ROE of 32.45% in the year 2022. Also, it has a free positive cash flow of 627 crores in the year 2022, which signifies that the company has generated surplus cash from the business. This surplus cash can be used for internal growth of the company or expansions. Market returns. With a 5-year positive return of 178.07%, the company has significantly outperformed the Sensex, which has just given 84.96% during the same period. Also, the company has achieved an extraordinary 10-year positive return of 614.3% compared to the Sensex, which just gave 236.60%. Valuations. With a price to sales ratio of 0.51 times and a P ratio of just 10.83 times, the company is significantly undervalued. If I were a long-term investor, I would definitely keep this stock in my watchlist radar. For more such research insights and in-depth stock analysis, please visit our Stocks Made Easy group. Thanking you from team testmystock.com.